It's my great pleasure to welcome you back to another great interesting tutorial on 1688 Chinese shopping app, important changes and updates that you need to know right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. And also, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao, pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you or teach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to source your product from any of the Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's get started. If you import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app, make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end because I'm going to walk you through step by step on all the important changes that is happening right now on 1688 Chinese shopping app. What you need to do is to watch the video and pay proper attention to all the changes. So let's see. So I'm going to simply open up my 1688 shopping app right here. All right, so the very first one I'd like to show you as far as important changes that is going on 1688 app is concerned. So if you take a look at the bottom right here, some of the icons at the home page screen right here are fully changed into the Chinese. So such as home page right here, it has fully changed. And the next one right here is your cart. And the next one right here is your profile icon. So if I click them one after the other, you can see my profile icon. If I click on here, you can see my cart right here, and if I click on here, I go back to my home page. If I click on here, it takes me to some of the products by different category, just like so. So this is one of the first changes that is going on 1688 shopping app. Another important changes on 1688 shopping app is that 1688 shopping app now accepts global international payment, which allow you to make payment to any Chinese supplier with your MasterCard or Visa card from any part of the world. How do you do that? What you need to do is to simply add a product to cart. When you add a product to cart, then you proceed to checkout. So for instance, if I simply head over to my cart right here, I'm going to simply click on my cart, then I have this particular product to my cart. So if I want to make payment for this product, so I can simply click on here to select the product and proceed to checkout. So I'm going to use a product as an example. Let's, for instance, this particular product here that is on my pending section. So if I click on it and it takes me right here, if I want to make payment for this product, I will simply click on here. I will simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then it's going to load up and show me different method of payment that is happening right now on 1688. So just like what you see right here. So I have my Alipay by default, but I can at the same time switch to MasterCard or Visa card payment. So for me to do that, I will simply click on here. Then this is going to pump up. Now I can pay with different types of currency, such as USD, TWD, JPY, KWR, HKD, MYR, THP, or better still, I can leave it in USD. So once you select your currency of choice, next thing you want to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment with your card. Then it's going to load up just like what you see right here. So at this section here, you'll be asked to enter your card detail, such as card name, month and year of expire, 3 digits at the back of the card, then address on the card. Finally, come down below here and click on here to bind your card and make payment with your Visa card or MasterCard on 1688. And also, you can click on here and choose whatever language from this section right here. So this is another important changes that you need to take into consideration on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's take a look at another important changes that is going on right now on 1688. Now, if I simply go back to my home page right here, now another important changes on 1688 is the address section. Now, let's, for instance, I head over to my address section right here. So I'm going to simply click on that and it load up like so. Now, if I want to add additional address, so what I need to do is to simply click on here. And then once I click on that, it's load up just like so. Now, what you want to So it's going to load up just like so. Now, as you can see right here, so what really changed here is the region, address, and the city. So that is what really changed right here. Now, what you want to do right here is to copy and paste your address section right here, and make sure always make use of your auto recognition. Once you click on that, it will automatically fill up everything. But in some cases, if the address was not automatically filled, what you need to do is to make use of this section right here. Choose your region and select your uh, area as far as that place is concerned. Then right here, leave this by default because this is only recommended by Chinese for this, because this section here only recommended by Chinese phone number. What you want to do here is that just omit the first +86 on any Chinese phone number given to you by your shipping address. Just omit the first +68. Just omit the first +86 from the beginning of the number, and you are good to go. It's as simple as that. So basically, these are three major important changes on 16888. I want you to pay proper attention to. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.